Hello everyone, welcome back to LitQuest by Jeetu. I hope all of you are doing well. So friend, in today's lecture we are going to discuss Alienation Effect Part 3. We already discussed about definition, origin, objectives and techniques of the alienation effect in our previous lecture. So today we are going to continue with influence of alienation effect in the modern drama. So friends, without further delay, let's begin. Now that we understand what the alienation effect is and how Brecht used it, let's discuss its influence. Here is a question for you. Did the alienation effect remains limited only to Bertolt Brecht's plays? The answer is no. Its influence spread across the world and changed the way many playwrights and directors approached theatre. Modern political theatres, documentary theatres, and experimental theatre have all been influenced by Brecht ideas. Even friends, today many directors use techniques such as direct audience interaction, narration, projected text, and visible stage machinery to encourage audience to think critically rather than simply become emotionally involved. The alienation effect has also influenced cinema and television. Sometimes in film or web series, a character suddenly speaks directly to the camera. Have you noticed this technique? If yes, you have already seen a form of the alienation effect. So, Brecht's idea is still alive today and continue to influence modern storytelling. Now, let's look at another important aspect. Did everyone agree with Brecht's idea? The answer is no. Like every literary theory, the alienation effect also received criticism. Some critics argued that if audiences are constantly reminded that they are watching a play, they may lose emotional interest in the story. Others believe that excessive use of songs, narration, or direct audience interaction can interrupt the natural flow of the drama. Another criticism is that not every audience enjoy intellectual theater, right? Some people watch play simply for entertainment, relaxation, and emotional experiences. However, supporters of Brecht strongly disagree with these criticisms. They believe that theater should do more than entertain. It should encourage people to question injustice, challenge existing system, and become socially aware. So whether you agree with Brecht or not, there is no doubt that he completely transformed modern theater. Right? Now let me ask you another important question. Why is the alienation effect such an important topic for literature students? There are several reasons. First, it is one of the central concept of modern drama. Second, it is closely connected with epic theatre, which is frequently discussed in the English literature courses. Third, questions related to Bertolt Brecht, epic theatre, and alienation effect are commonly asked in BA, EMA, B.Ed, SAT exams, and especially in the UGC NET examination. So, friends, while preparing for your exam, you should always remember the definition of alienation effect, its objectives, its major techniques, the difference between alienation effect and catharsis, important plays written by Bertolt Brecht, right? So, Friend, before ending today's lecture, let's quickly revise everything we have learned. Some key point is here, like who developed the alienation effect? The answer is Bertolt Brecht. Question number 2, what in its German name? The answer is Verfremdungseffekt. It's difficult, no? And which type of theater is associated with epic theater? What is its main objectives? To prevent emotional involvement and encourage critical thinking. What are the techniques? So techniques like breaking the fourth wall, song, narration, placards, projections, visual stage machinery, episodic structure, minimal scenery, actor playing multiple roles. So friends, if you remember these points, you have understood the heart of today's lecture. Now let's test your understanding with a few multiple choice questions. These are just a sample question, so you can prepare your for your examination well. Like who developed the alienation effect? I think now it's a very easy question for all of you. So the answer is Bertolt Brecht. Next, the alienation effect is mainly associated with epic theater. Okay. So friend, if you answered the questions correctly, congratulations, you have understood today's topic very well. So friend, let's conclude today's lecture. Today we learned that the alienation effect is much more than a dramatic techniques. It is a new way of looking at theater. Instead of asking audience to lose themselves emotionally in the story, Bertolt Brecht encouraged them to think, question, and analyze the world around them. His goal was not just to entertain people, but to create socially aware and critically thinking individuals. This is why the alienation effects remains one of the most influential concepts in the modern literary criticism and theatre. So friends, I hope today's lecture has made this topic simple and easy to understand. If you found this lecture helpful, please like the video, share it with your classmates, your friends, and subscribe to my channel LitQuest by Jeetu for more lecture of literary theory, criticism, drama, poetry, and English literature. And friends, please, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to write them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lecture. Until then, keep reading, keep learning, and keep exploring literature. Thank you. Bye.